Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yashraj and I'm from Solapur. I completed my B.Tech degree in Computer Science and Engineering. I got in Qspiders from the incubation batch, which helped me a lot through my training, how to achieve my goals and how to get placed in my dream company. After coming here, I got into Tejas's batch. He helped me through cover all the topics of Java, and after that I go for the SQL batch, in which Vikas sir and Ravi sir helped me to go through the whole database and structured query language. After that, I get into the manual testing batch, in which Krutan ma'am helped me a lot to get placed. And after that, I am currently in Selenium batch. But before completing the batch or giving the final mock interview, I got placed because of Krutan ma'am and Mani sir. And I helped Qspiders helped me a lot through this procedure. They gave me a lot of interview for calls. Trainers are very helpful. They will give each and every chance to get you placed. They will help you in each and every way to get you placed. And the trainers are wonderful. That's all. Thank you.